friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, I am setting up my social media planning pages for November in my Plum paper 7x9 hourly. So let's get started. Okay friends, so for November, I am patching together a little kit out of some leftovers from this Fern Creek stickers kit. This is MK04. So I have this wide washi. It's usually like used on the bottom of a planner, but I noticed that, I figured out that it'll fit perfectly over the top of these old Erin Condren monthly pages. So if you haven't seen any of my previous social media planning videos, I tore out or snipped out the monthly pages from an Erin Condren planner that I had decided not to use, and I insert them into my Plum paper 7x9 hourly. So this is November, this is my Plum. I just did this video. And then what I do in the back here behind my cleaning page, which I haven't filmed that video yet, I insert these here, and then I have the to-do list page distributed one page in each month, and I use this to set up sort of my checklist for my social media. So that's kind of it. I am getting to the end of this book. I have decided that I am going to separate out the social media planning from my regular planner because it's just gotten to be too thick and too much. So I have to figure out what I'm going to do. That fits perfectly. I love that. This is a beautiful floral here. And I love that it covers perfectly. I've been really, as we get to the end of the year, I've really been trying to kind of use up some bits and pieces. I keep mentioning that one of the videos that I do want to do is a sticker reorganization. I just got a reusable sticker album from Fern Creek Stickers. And so I want to try to incorporate that into a bunch of the little albums that I have from Planner Kate. So I need to kind of figure out how I want to start storing my stickers. I am not getting this on very straight. Struggling this morning, friends. Okay, there, I think that's better. Okay, there we go. And then what I thought I'd do, so I have these days of the week. These are also from Fern Creek Stickers. And rather than just placing them right on top, because I kind of thought, I'm just gonna pull a Monday. I kind of thought what I'd do is I have this washi here from Michaels, and I thought I would lay a strip of this down first so that I have kind of like a little bit of a solid background to put the days of the week over. The washi is a little bit see-through, it's a little bit sheer, but I think it's gonna be okay. I'm still, what a sigh, right? I'm finally kind of recovering from my big House of Delegates weekend. It's Sunday morning when I'm filming this. And Scott has taken Sophie to basketball. Emma's at work, so I thought, oh, the house is quiet. Nobody's home but me and Otis. So maybe I should try to get some of these monthly setup videos done because it's Halloween today, by the way, friends. Happy Halloween. Happy birthday to my oldest brother, BJ. It's his birthday. Okay, so let's see, Sunday. I'm gonna put this down here and then go back to the top to Monday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, okay, so that's all of the days of the week. And then I do need a monthly script. Let me get that. So I have this sheet from Nicole Hutch Designs of all of the months of the year, and I thought this font would look really good with the days of the week that I pulled from Fern Creek Stickers. So I'm just gonna center this one. Cool, I like that, that looks good. Okay, so next I wanna redate this because this was from 2020. And I have all of these little date covers here from this Planner Kate kit. This was the Easter Bunny kit that I used earlier in the year. And since I don't use the monthly date covers in my normal month view on my planner, I save them, and now I can redate this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and redate this. I thought this pink kind of coordinated fine. I mean, it's not a super match, but I thought it coordinated just fine. Good enough for my social media. So let me go ahead and get all these date dots down, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I have all of the date dots down, and then I whited out all of the holidays that are in the wrong spot. And I whited out these days here that don't correspond. And I have just this one last strip of wide washi, and I kind of thought, you know what, I might as well just lay it down in here. Just trying to get it off without tearing it like I did another piece. Okay, there's a little bit of extra, there we go. Thought I would see about just putting it down here. There we go. I'm just gonna leave. I wonder if I should cover that turquoise. I don't know. I don't think it matters. It doesn't bother me. This is just it's my social media. They're working pages. Okay, so what I did was I picked these kind of goldenrod colored labels here. I thought they kind of picked up the color in the floral here that you can see, sort of this orange. And I'm gonna do all of my Plan With Me's come out on Sunday. So I'm gonna put all of these down. So these are the weekly spreads. Let's do this. So there's gonna be 4 of those. And then my November monthly, I think what I'll do is I'll have that come up on the 3rd, and then the budget always comes. I kind of do, I don't know if I'm doing them all in the same order, but kind of it's like the monthly, then the budget, and then my social media video, and then my Clean Mama video will come up on the 12th. And then I will do a haul. Actually, I think because there's something, I think I want to actually put this haul video because I have a PR package that I think I want to share. So I'm going to move this around. I love that these stickers are removable so that I can do just this, exactly this. I can move stuff around. And then I don't know why I always put Clean Mama last, but I seem to. I don't know if it's just because I need to have my budget and my social media set up so that I can actually plan and use it. Okay, so then we're gonna do an October flip through. So that means I have two more videos. I think maybe by the 24th, I'll have myself together enough. I'm just gonna put these down blank and I can fill them in, but I think I wanna try to get that sticker reorganization. It might end up being like a 2-part video, I was thinking, because I thought, oh my God, it's gonna take so long and I don't want you to sit through like this hour-long video of me organizing my stickers, but maybe what I'll do is split it into 2 parts. Okay, so that's that. And then over here, I have some big elephant plan scripts that I wanna put up. Okay, so here we have them. It's social media. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one here. I still have this little piece of sticker stuck to me. There we go. Let me put this one down here. I have to remember today to look at where I am. And then this is Instagram. So I'll put my growth here for Instagram, and then this one is for YouTube. So we'll add that there. Okay, so that's my monthly view. And at the end of the month, I always record that. And then over here on the next side, I'm gonna put, let's see, I think I want to use, usually I cover this up with washi, but since I was using up kind of what I had left over, I might just leave this kind of this dark purple color because I think it's really, I like it for November. But what I want to do is I'm going to cover this and I'm going to put one of these little YouTube stickers. Let's see, what color do I like? Let's do, I could go, this purple is not quite the right color, so I could just kind of do whatever I wanted. I kind of like, maybe the dark purple's okay. I kind of like the gray too. I don't know, let's see. Yeah, I kind of want to put that gray down. So I'm gonna wipe this out here. I am really terrible with this whiteout. A whole year I've been doing this and I still haven't gotten any better at it. Okay, let's put this little gray guy down. Okay, and then we're gonna cover this with another one of these social media stickers because I want to cover that to-do list there. Okay, cool. Okay, and then what I think I'll do is, let's pull, since we're going kind of grayish, I have this gray here, it's a little darker, but we can do that. And then let's put one of these, also from Big Elephant Plans, let's do YouTube. Let's put that on here. You know, I'm wondering, now that I'm looking at this and I have this washi here that I used on the other page, I wonder if I should put a piece of gray washi. Okay, so I pulled these two from my Michaels washi, and I feel like this one actually kind of looks good. Let's see. I might have to white out this burgundy because it's going to show through, but I kind of like that. Let's just do this. Okay, here we go again with this white out. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to put this on here. See if I can get this down fairly straight. You can still kind of see that burgundy under there a little bit, but it's not, it's for the most part covered up. Okay. Oops, that's not very straight. Kind of hard to tear that along the coil there. There we go. That's better. Okay. I'm gonna flip the book around because I think it'll be easier to do it this way. There we go. And then we'll see if I can tear this one better. I think that was better, yeah. Oh, cool, okay. I like that. And then we'll use this here and we'll put YouTube up here. And then I'm just gonna write in content ideas for here. Okay, we'll put that down here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is write in my little checklist grid that I make, and I use just a gray Papermate flare for that and my ruler, which I have to turn the book sideways here. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and put, I have these from Fern Creek stickers, so let's see what might fit. I just got these ones. I don't know if these might be too big, so let's give them a try. Whoops. There we go. Film. It's a little big, but I think it'll be okay. Edit. upload. And then I always put thumbnail and live. Okay, so that's that section, and then let's just do the other side here. I'll do the same thing. Okay, and then let's put the same little stickers down. Film. And upload. Okay, and then we'll put down the thumbnail and live. Okay. Okay, so that's my base. And then let's go ahead and fill in what I have planned. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 plan with me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do plan with me 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we've got all of our monthlies. So we'll do those over here. So, okay, so that's those, right? Budget, Clean Mama. Okay, so then over here, let's do a haul video. Let's do the October flip through. And then hopefully like I said, I'll do a sticker reorganization video. I'd really love to do that. And get your thoughts and ideas on what I figure out, like how you would do it or what you would do different. Let me know how you do your stickers. I kind of have sort of a system in place, but I think I need to clean it up. And now that I have more stickers, I've got like a complete year full of like leftovers and bits and pieces, then I kind of need to figure something out. So that's my checklist. And then here's my monthly plan. And again, I've got 2 open weeks here. This last month in October, there were 2 Fridays that I didn't post videos because I just got so busy. Hopefully I'll be able to get everything filled in for this month. And again, when I post on Instagram, I just write it in where I've posted. I did pretty good. Like I said, I was super busy, so there were a few days here where I missed, but I will just kind of write in what it was that I posted. So this is a look back on the current month, which ends today. Today's the 31st, as I had mentioned. Sorry, it's over here. Alrighty, I think I'll quit rambling now, friends. I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.